Okay, what is going on, guys? Okay. Let me tell you guys what's gonna happen here. So this thing, obviously, we had a chance to be bearish here at this 4 hour fair value gap, right? This was NQ's chance to be bearish and show a bearish hand. However, what happened here? We hit it. We hit the 4 hour, and we got a 15-minute change in state lower, and it got completely obliterated in the next hourly candle. So this obviously, you know what I'm saying, nothing happening there. So I'm in favor of longs here. I think that 930 here is going to open up and push up to previous day high. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, this to me, it looks like it can only really go higher. Okay, let's okay, there's the 9:30 a.m. should go higher. Defo should go higher here. Yep, there it is. No like entry there for me there. Yeah, no entry there, but yeah, nice. Previous day high is where I would be looking for this to go. We got it right up here. I'm gonna set an alert for previous day high. So as soon as it hits, we know. Yeah, bias was correct there. Just no no entry so far yet. No entry. But previous day high is gonna be the target here. Like ultimate target is gonna be previous day high. It's just, is it gonna give me an entry before it gets there? We did have this 1 hour order block here. One thing. 1 hour OB. And out of that 1 hour OB, we are going to get a 5-minute change in state right here. So we could, this is something to watch for sure. Something to watch. Scott Taylor, what's good? What's good? Uploaded 3 live stream edited. Getting ready to upload to YouTube channel. Bro, give me, Scott Taylor, give me the YouTube channel. Give me the YouTube channel and I'll look at it. I'll look at it. Yep, 5-minute change in state right here. Interesting look. If we can come back down here, I'm not fully opposed to maybe smacking a little long. I would go light though. 2 micros, we're at $256 a risk. Flip, dude. I'll try with 1 micro. I'm in. 1 singular micro. I'm in 1 micro, bro. 1 micro on these 20 Apexies. I'll go a little bit higher on the TP though. Go a little bit higher for sure. I'm down to kind of like staircase into this though, as long as it starts to look good. But yeah, let's try with 1 micro first and kind of see how it goes. This 1 hour OB, 5-minute change in state up. Assuming that we are bullish into previous day high, it should be from here. So let's see. Don't really have anything else. Besides, if it goes a little bit lower, we can get a trade off of this, which I hope we do after 10 a.m. though. The 10 a.m. has a nice manipulation leg, but this Wixie is 760. So mark that 760.25. Not bad to mark right there. 760.25. And we don't have anything lining up on lower time frame there. 2 5-minute gaps. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me move this over. There we go. Yeah, I'm for sure a fan of this 760 at 10 a.m. though. At 10 a.m. Look at ES. What's ES doing? What about it? ES is bearish. This candle is red on ES. ES pretty bearish. Flow model will be a short here. No, this is okay. So the whole reason why I said bullish, or the reason I'm bullish into previous day high, is because we have a 4-hour gap right here. And this 4-hour fair value gap failed to deliver lower, right? We hit this 4-hour gap. We got a flow model short, actually, right here on the first tap. And what happened to it? It got absolutely wrecked. So therefore, just based off of that alone, I would be bullish into the, this session here, and like obviously towards previous day high. That's where like a good chunk of this bias comes from, is us unable to deliver lower out of this 4-hour gap. So like if it presents a flow model again for a second time, I would not take it. Right? It has proven itself to be untrustworthy based off of here. So I wouldn't be a fan of re-shorting the same gap, the same setup. Invalidates FVG once. The theory is the FVG is invalid from that point onwards. Correct. I mean, we had a full actionable setup here, right? Like we had a full market maker sell model. Like got our change in state there, everything, like the whole deal, everything was there. And so, you know, because it didn't play out, tells me that this is not bearish here. Definitely not bearish here. PMI at 10. Yep. PMI is at 10. Yeah, you can wait till 10. It'd be better to wait till 10 anyway. This is only 1 micro, so it's kind of whatever. Setup was there. But the better look at 10 is if we come and hit this at 10. Needs to hold like current price action though before 10. Or it goes to this 4-hour gap down here. This open 4-hour gap, it could go there too. Yeah, so we have either this 1-hour wick CE or the 4-hour gap. Those are kind of the only places for 10 AM to manipulate into. So as long as we can, you know, hold this area above the wick CE and the 4-hour gap until 10 AM opens up, cool, we good. Yeah, the chart is disgusting, bro. We traded London last night. It was foul, bro. It was absolutely foul. I haven't seen that bad of a London session in a long time. It was disgusting. Did you trade Asia? I did not trade Asia, bro. Just London. London has been where the move happened, though. Yeah, I know. And I expected last night's London to, like, get a nice move. But the move actually happened. It's actually quite unfortunate, the situation. We were long down here in late Asia. I started at 12. I started the live stream at 12. We were long down here. I moved my stop loss like way too quick. End up getting stopped in profit. And yeah, that would have been the move. So yeah, pretty upsetting. Never moving a stop loss again after that one, bro. I'm not gonna lie. ES is weak, dude. The fact that NQ is holding up like this is actually really surprising me. ES is insanely weak. I mean, ES is about to go take this low. I don't know how NQ is held. It's probably gonna, this trade probably gets stopped out, is my guess here. I'll just hold it through the stop anyways. It's 1 micro, it's whatever. But this trade, the way ES looks, if NQ continues, you know, going with ES, this is gonna go straight to the stop. ES is at this low, bro. Trying to buy more? Nah. I just told you, ES is weak, bro. This is, I think this gets stopped. 5-minute CSD, yeah, but the thing is, there's no 1-hour gap or anything to support. By the way, I took that trade off there. 1 micro is out. There's no substance behind this 5-minute CSD, bro. This one there is, the upper one, because we had a 1-hour order block. This bearish one, there's no 1-hour PDRA for a 5-minute CSD to work, right? Now, I just would like for this to hang around here, not get too close to this. That's a 1-hour gap. Bro, I just got done telling you how this gap is invalid. Just got done telling you guys, bro. Some of you guys don't listen, I swear to God. This gap got hit here. It got hit here. Unable to create a new low. And it got hit here. And it got hit here. So, yeah, ain't gonna work, buddy. So, what I want to see here now is market kind of just maybe consolidate in this area just so we hold these lows. 10 a.m. opens, 10 a.m. pushes to either 760 or that 4-hour gap we have lower. I think, I mean, I would like to see just 760 and bounce. Yeah, the only reason, again, like I said, for not shorting this 4-hour is because you could see right here, right? We hit this 4-hour right here. We hit it. We got an actionable setup lower. We got a 15-minute change in state lower, and no delivery to the downside. So to me, that is not really showing you know, some bearish movement there. Yeah, I needed to just kind of chill here for a little bit, and then boom, and then boom. I'll mark the 4-hour gap too, like that, so we have it. And now we'll watch this thing. It's kind of like just chopping around. This 9:30 open has been very uneventful. The only thing this did was make that initial push higher. That's it. It's just, bro, this thing is extremely manipulated, bro. What's up with Apex new account expiration after 6 payouts? It's just one of the rules that they have, I guess. You know, it's the people that are complaining about that. See, basically, after 6 payouts, you get to go live with them, which is pretty sick. If you've never traded a live environment with a prop like Apex, which is, I mean, your balance on your live is going to be massive. But you get to go live with them, and if you've never even gotten a payout, those are the people that are really complaining. The genuinely, the people that I hear complaining about it are like, damn, bro, capped after 6 payouts. Twin, you didn't even get 1 payout yet. What do you mean capped after 6 payouts? Oh my God, worst prop firm, bro. Capped after 6 payouts, bro. Get 6 payouts first. Get 6 payouts first, and then you could cry about it. Saying you need to have a rebirth after making, yeah, bro. By the way, let's just hold on. Let's just like clarify this real quick, right? 6 payouts, right? 6 payouts on 20 accounts. So the minimum payout, let's just go with, okay, actually no, not minimum, maximum. At $2,000, we can average it at $2,000, right? $2,000 times 20 times 6. So 40 grand times 6, you're looking at $240,000 pretty much total until those accounts get closed. I think you're not going to be complaining after you're $250,000 richer that you could get to just restart again, gang. They put you in a live after 6 payouts. Yeah, they put you in a live after 6 payouts. And it does not mean that you can't just buy more evals. You can still buy more evals pass and then redo the 6 on new 6 account or new 20 accounts, right? Or new however many accounts. Watch this 10 a.m. open up. Yo, watch this 10 a.m. open up and go straight to previous day high. Watch this shit. Me and the admin gotta throw hands on God. If this opens up and goes straight to previous day high, me and the admin gotta throw hands. Like this 15-minute looks pretty solid here. So does the hourly. So does the 4-hour. Like, it looks pretty solid. I don't know if it'll come all the way back down here to retest that area again. What are we doing? Is he gonna get the push to previous day high? These shorts are good now. We have a 1-hour FUG. You don't use any of those, bro. I just got done telling you guys why that 1 hour and 4 hour are both invalid. Does Apex combine all accounts for a larger DD when they transition you to live? Yes. So your total balance, you can choose. The way Apex work is, let's say you have a total balance of $200,000. You can tell them, I want to get paid out 100 grand to my bank account, and I want the other 100 grand in a live account. Right? Or I want 150 grand and I want 50 grand in a live account. You can tell them that, and that's what they'll do. So you get to decide how that gets distributed, but it would go like that. Why has volume been so shit? It's not really bro, like, between just the volume being shit and price action being shit, it's just ass. It's very ass. We'll move at like very odd hours of the day. Like London had a movement, but there wasn't that nice of an entry here in London. Man, I had the longs too from the low, and I just closed them too early. Because War Talks PA is bad in all sessions. The problem is, so we know it's bad, but it just continues up instead of down. like what are we doing, bro? So average RR and win rate since 2026. This year, it's been pretty solid, bro. This year, average RR has been amazing. I think average RR using FDT, using top and bottom ticking model has been, I would say on average, we're looking at like 6 to 8 R, sometimes more. And you can go to the previous streams and see all the trades that we took on live with those. And win rate has been pretty solid too. Win rate recently actually just went, I mean, the last several trades that I've taken pretty much like in a row have been losses because of the way the market's going. So this week, I mean, we only have like, I only traded like 2 days this week, but this week has been shit for me. Last week I didn't really trade. But this week so far has been really, really ass. I'm right on the week. When do we get a Keyflow indicator? I'm in the middle of creating one right now. If I open this, you guys are gonna see it, so I can't really open this, unfortunately. I'm in the middle of it right now, though. You just won't see it on my chart. But I'm creating one. High RR with a reasonable win rate is already insanely profitable. Yeah, it is 100%. It 100% is. So like a good example of that, we took 4 trades today, right? There were some wins, but I think it was 3 losses or 2 losses. And that's why I'm down 242 on these accounts total, right? On the account in its entirety, I'm down 400, or I'm down 500 bucks, basically $580 here. $570, $580 I'm down. So one single trade, I can tell you right now for a fact, one single trade that I take will make up the entire lost account. We'll go back to green. And that's like after 6 losses, right? The account will go right back to green. So that's why I'm never worried about this, you know. I know the RR we operate at is great. What did I tell you guys, bro? 10 a.m. is gonna open up. It's gonna push into previous day high. No fucking trade here. Literally nothing. Like, what are we doing? I mean, previous day high was the draw. Like, that was the daily objective. After it hits previous day high, it's like, what are we gonna do? 25048. 0.75. Another one to watch. This is the 4-hour Wick CE, right? This hit this 4-hour fair value gap here. So there's the 4-hour Wick CE. We could watch that. Previous day high coming in hot. Coming in hot. Ooh. All right, guys, I'm gonna limit 25048. Looking at 20 points of risk, so 20 points will put us at 68. 68 is not bad. I'm down to try it at 68. 68 stop with a TP to the 4-hour low, assuming that it comes up and hits this before it hits the 4-hour low. TP at 4-hour low, or maybe even this. 1370. All right. My limits are set. This is pretty much the last trade that I try out here for New York. Otherwise, I'm just, you know, not trading for the rest of New York. This is the 4-hour Wick CE, bro. 4-hour Wick CE. I know we have relative equal highs above this this limit. I'm well aware, bro. If you don't like it, don't take it. You know what I'm saying? But I like it, so I'm going to take it. But if you're not a fan, don't take this. It is absolutely risky. We're a counter trend here. Definitely risky. Fully counter to the trend. But I like it. So I'm gonna try it. You think price will hit Monday high? It's literally about to hit. No, this is Tuesday high. Monday high? I mean, I would like for it not to, but if it does, it does. If this is bullish, which I don't understand how this could be bullish, but if it's bullish, then yeah, it'll go hit Monday high, yes. My limit is at 25,048. 25,048. And then 25,068 stop. So 20 points. Can't you put the TP a little lower since we're already down on the day? You can, but I'm okay with this right here. I'm fine with that. In fact, I'm actually even just fine with the current 4-hour low. Previous day high swept right there. Did you just enter a limit? No, that was my alert from previous day high. Almost to my limit. Remember, this is a little sketchy here, so just be careful if you take this with me. Okay, just got filled on that. It only filled me. Huh? Why did I just get filled 6? Hello? Oh, fuck no. Bro, that shit filled me for 6, dude. No way. Why did it do that? Oh, fuck no, Jit. How did it fill me for 6 contracts there? I had 3. This is going to stop out, though. Yeah, it looks like this is going to go for the stop. I don't think this is going to reject at any point. To 10 a.m. is just straight up. No manipulation leg lower. Damn, bro. I just took an unnecessary loss there using fucking 6 micros for no reason. I don't understand how it added 6 micros. Okay, I'm out of that. That's probably my last trade here. I'm not a fan of anything else, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The longs, obviously long is the move, but the long is not playing out to any. I mean, it's not playing out as in there's no setups, actionable setups that I'm seeing here. Like we had this 15-minute right here. This 15-minute, we tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. After the 4th time, it went up. Like, that's not a good look at all, right? And then through here, no entry, not on the 15-minute. This leg here, at 7:30 a.m., there was a decent-looking long on this 15-minute candle. That's it. Literally it. Nothing else. Yeah, it's been pretty shit lately. It has been pretty shit. All right. I'm out of here, guys. Lock in for the New York stream, bro. I'm not interested in trading this today, bro. I'm really not. Lock in with the Asia stream. I'm going to have more codes to give out. I'm going to have way more codes to give out, all right?